Welcome back, everybody. Appreciate you tuning in. What we got today is a black walnut crotch, and it's not quite 4 feet long. At the widest point, diameter wise, is 26 inches. So we're trying to figure out how we're going to cut it to get the best figure out of it. This thing's probably going to have some good figures. Got some great looking stuff right here. Looks like compression, basically. Hopefully it turns out really well. Probably going to be a good end table piece, maybe small coffee table kind of deal, or some other projects, or some boards that will have some great figure in them. So probably won't be a long video, but we're going to figure this out and get to cutting. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in a minute.
You got the scraper.
That stuff looks cool.
It's good. That's gonna be a pretty piece.
It's almost like an oyster shell or something, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
With the probably should get my shadow off of it. Oh, that looks cool right there. Mm-hmm. Good looking stuff. Good looking crotch. And we also got these slabs over here. Don't have any water on them yet, but they got some cool figure in them too. Look at that. Look at that. All that. That's all that compression and stuff in there right there. That's gonna make some cool stuff. Got these slabs, they're all 2.5. And then we got some small 1-inch boards over here that might be able to do something with. Look pretty cool, charcuterie boards or cutting boards or some kind of little plaque thing with some epoxy in it. Look pretty awesome. Hey, appreciate you guys tuning in. That was the black walnut crotch. And please come back and check out our past videos and our future videos.